I have been super obsessed with Shin Se-kyung's lip color in the recent Korean drama 흑기사. So here's my take on the lip. If you can see, I have asymmetrical lips, so the top lip is very thin. So full lips don't look that great on me, but I found that gradient lips, especially using this technique, makes my lip look a lot more balanced. So to start off, you just need to bring your foundation lightly over your lip line. Next, take a lipstick color of your choice. Here I'm using a darker color just so that it shows better on camera. Apply the lipstick only to the inner corners. Don't worry if you messed up. All you need is a Q-tip to clean up the lines. The reason this look is so much easier than applying a full lip is you don't have to be precise. Now, for the precision part, take a nude lip liner and draw the outside of your lips. If you want your lip to appear a little bit fuller, draw slightly outside your natural lip line. I don't have the steadiest hands, but I found that drawing with a lip liner is way easier than trying to do it the first time with the lipstick. And voila, you're done! 3 easy steps to perfect gradient lips. Okay, it was real easy, right? I hope you guys really try out this look. I highly recommend it. I've been wearing this look almost every day because it is so easy. And you can do this with red lip colors, brown lip colors, pink lip colors. It is so versatile. You can switch up the colors if you want a different look. And this has allowed me to wear so many different lipsticks that I couldn't before. If you guys try it out, let me know how it is. I would love to see pictures. Add me on Instagram, send me your pictures of your attempt at this look. I would love to see it.